Hi dear students, welcome back to 8th grade mathematics class. I hope all of you be healthy and pass good days and nights. Today we are going to study the algebraic expressions. As you have studied in previous lesson, the concept of variables, constants, and the algebraic expressions, and also you studied something about polynomials that today we are going to continue that in order to study the types of polynomials. By the end of this class, you will learn types of polynomials and also degrees of polynomials, and you will know what type of polynomials are like terms. Okay, let's get started. Types of polynomials. In general, we have three types of polynomials, okay, that we are going to define them all for you. The first one, a polynomial with one term is called, what do you call? Monomials. Repeat after me. Monomials. 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 If a polynomial has only one term, that is called monomials. Okay, how? 2 is a polynomial because the power is also 1, and also we can say it is a constant polynomial. Okay, so because in here you cannot see any variables like this. This is also a polynomial because the powers of them, these two, are whole numbers. Okay, and you know that what are whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, and dot. This is also a polynomial, or we can say monomials. This is monomial, one term. This is monomial, one term. This is monomial, one term. It is one term, but we have two variables. Okay, so the power of this is 1, the power of this is 1. It means 1 is a whole number. And how about this? If you see x plus x, is it a monomials? Yes. Why? Because x plus x is 2x. Okay? Now 2x is a monomials. Okay? Now let's get started. The second type of polynomial. What was the first? Monomials. A polynomial that has two terms. A polynomial that has two terms is called binomials. Repeat after me. Binomials. Binomials. Okay? How? Two terms. X plus 2. Okay? One is x and the other is 2. How many terms? Two terms. What do you call? Binomials. Is it a polynomial? Yes. X squared y plus 4. Again, it is a binomial. Why it is binomials? Because it is one term and it is another term. So we can have binomials with two variables. And in here we can see that these are 3. But we can simplify that. How many x squared in here do we have? 1. How many do we have in here? 3. 1 plus 3 is 4x squared minus 2. And this will be 2 binomials. So the first one was monomial, the second one was binomial, and the third one, it must be 3 terms. Yeah? A polynomial that has 3 terms. 3 terms is called trinomials. Repeat after me. Trinomials. 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 Okay? Examples. X squared plus x minus 2. It is a trinomial. 1, 2, and 3. In here, x to the power of 3, y plus 4xy to the power of 4, p plus m. This is again what? A trinomials. Okay? Now, In general, we have three types. What was that? One term, monomials. Two terms, binomials. Three terms, trinomial. Okay? Now, if it is more than three names, if it is more than three terms, so exactly we cannot have any, they don't have any specific name, okay? If it is more than three. Remember this. Now, let's get started degrees of polynomials. Degree, okay? The degree of polynomial is the highest degree. Is the highest degree of the terms in polynomials. Of the terms in polynomials. In order to understand it, I did many examples for you, and let's check. At first, polynomial's degree. Is it a polynomial? Yeah. But how about the power of x? The highest power of x is 0. So what will be the degree? 0. Is it a polynomial? Yeah. How is the power of x? 1. It means the degree is 1. So in here we can have this x to the power of 2y. Okay? Now the highest degree of term, I say term, it means I should count the power of them. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. And here we have binomials. And here we have binomial. This is, or we can say that it has two terms. I should see that which one is the highest. So about x, the highest power is 1. Y square, the highest power is 2. It means this is the degree, because this term the highest power is 1, this term the highest power is 2, so the answer will be 2. And now look at this. And here we have also two terms. Okay? And here we have two terms. Let's get started. If I count the power of these, x to the power of y, y to the power of x to the power of 1, y to the power of 1, and p to the power of 3, plus 4x. So 1 plus 1 plus 3 is how much? 5. And it is only 1. Which one is the highest degree of the terms? 5. It means that 5 is the degree of polynomial. So in general, we have to see the highest degrees of the term. If you have 5 terms or 6 terms, again, test all of them, that which one is the highest. And remember, like terms. What is like terms? Or what are like terms? So, same variables plus exponents. It means the polynomials that have same variables. For example, this is a polynomial x squared, and this is a polynomial x squared. The variables are same, x, x. And the powers should be same too. Okay, now x squared is like term of x squared. And in here we have xy. And the powers of both of them are 1, 1. So what will be the like term of this? Again, yes. We call these as like terms. And it was all for today. Thanks for watching. Be with us. Thank you. Best of luck.